Hi there, I'm Heather Harris, founder of Copper Bottom Design Co., a boutique product development agency that specializes in planner design and manufacturing in China. I've been in business for about 19 years, and over those 19 years, I've sent probably thousands of files to commercial printers in China. And when sending files to a commercial printer, they often request that you convert your fonts to outlines before sending them the files. And this is so that they can open your files without needing to load the proper fonts onto their systems. And it really just simplifies the whole workflow process for them, streamlines things for them. I'm going to give you this little tip before you send your initial files so you can avoid the back and forth between you and the printer and just send them great files from the get-go. There are various ways to create fonts into outlines in your native InDesign files or Adobe Illustrator files, but I don't recommend messing with the fonts in your native files. Inevitably, if you change those fonts to outlines in the native files, you're probably going to need to make changes, have a revision, and if you accidentally save that file rather than save as, then you've just lost your editable version of that file. That's pretty much a designer's worst nightmare. Instead, I recommend converting your fonts to outlines in your PDF files. Let me flip the camera around and give you a little tutorial on how it's done. Okay, here we have our PDF file. This is actually a freebie that you can download from my website, which gives you a production timeline on creating a product from idea to launch. It's a month-by-month guide for how long it will take you to create a planner, which is about 6 months once you start the manufacturing process. I am in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Let's see what version I have. It's a 2022 version. This is what we're working with today. Adobe Acrobat Pro has a lot of tools. Now, my view happens to have my tools all listed here, and the tool that you want to choose is Print Production. If you don't see Print Production in your list of tools over on this sidebar here, you can click More Tools here, which will get you the whole list of tools to choose from. And you're looking for Print Production. So let's click that here. And then we are going to go to Pre-Flight. Click on Pre-Flight. And I use this so often, multiple times a day in my business, that it's already selected here in my list of choices. But once you click Pre-Flight, you're going to want to go to your profiles, and it's a PDF fix-up is what we're doing. And we are converting fonts to outlines. So make sure that's highlighted. And then you simply click Analyze and Fix. And what this is going to do is it's going to ask you to save this file, because you're essentially taking an existing PDF and converting the fonts to outlines. So it's making sure that you're not going to save over a PDF that you might not want the fonts to be converted in. So choose where you want to save it. I'm going to choose to save it to my desktop. And then it starts to pre-flight your document and go through every page and convert your fonts to outlines. This was very quick. It's only a 5-page document. So there were no problems found, and you're done. It's as simple as that. Now, if you want to check to see if the fonts are actually outlined, you want to see it for yourself, you can go into Adobe Illustrator and you can take that PDF file that we just saved. You'll open it up. So when you go to open a PDF file in Illustrator, it's going to ask you if you want to open all the pages, just a certain range. Okay, as you see, I've opened only one page of this PDF just because it's for purposes of demonstration. But as you can see, my fonts are outlined. And you're done. It's as simple as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you're looking for more tips or information on manufacturing planners, stationery products overseas, hit that subscribe button. I've got more tips and tricks to share with you. See you next time.